We have a little difference of opinion in our practice. Some surgeons insist on loading their own lenses into the lens injector because they hold the opinion that they want to make sure that it is done properly. I have the opinion that I want our surgical technicians to take ownership of loading the lenses into the lens injectors. The belief is that we want to build the relationship and build trust between the surgeon and surgical technicians. Plus, as I tell the scrub technicians, we can resolve any problem that may arise if the lens is not loaded perfectly every time. Well, here's a perfect example. We're inserting the lens and initially it looks normal as the leading haptic is entering the eye in a reverse S configuration. Then, as the optic unfolds, we discover that in fact the lens is upside down now as we are fully committed. The trailing haptic is then inserted into the anterior chamber. This is an eye with a 22.5 millimeter axial length. Our objective now is to expand the bag with Helon GV and protect the corneal endothelium with Helon Endocoat. We then use microforceps and viscoelastic to mechanically and visco rotate the lens and haptic into the correct orientation. The key moment is when we're able to move the elbow of the leading haptic underneath the anterior capsular rim. Then we use additional viscoelastic to maneuver the haptics into a normal orientation. Ultimately, this case ended well, and it demonstrates that if for any reason the lens is inserted upside down, it can be safely rotated right side up in a normal sized eye. Hopefully this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.